Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The title my presentation is the factor that influence choice of group work, social work methods of therapeutic community and narcotic anonymous model in the social rehabilitation center for drug addiction. Before I start my presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Fajar Utama Ritonga. I'm an author and researcher and co-author Adil Arifin. I'm from Social Welfare Program Studi in Faculty of Social and Political Science, Universitas Sumatera Utara, Medan, Indonesia. Case of abuse of psychotropic narcotics and addictive substance, or we calling drugs in Indonesian, from year to year also continued to increase, where in 2008 there were 3.3 million with a prevalence of 1.99% to 4 million in 2011. With a prevalence of 2.32%, and it's predicted that this figure will continue to increase in 2005 to 5.1 million, with a prevalence of 2.8%. It's known that 5.3% of them are students. Ritonga 2020. This condition is considered to be increasingly damaging to the morale of students and the young generation if it is not anticipated immediately. Drug trafficking is not only found in school and campus, but has also spread to rural areas that are difficult to monitor by the police. Previously, the National Narcotic Agency, or we call BNN, packet the prevalence rate of drug abuse in 2015, reaching 2.2%, or around 4 million people in Indonesia who are caught in drug circles. The drugs are capable of claiming 40 to 50 lives of the younger generation. State losses due to drug abuse are not small. The survey was conducted by the National Narcotic Agency, or BNN, and the University of Indonesia Health Research Center in 2014, that the country experienced a loss of 63.1 trillion due to drug abuse. Ritonga 2020. According of the National Narcotic Agency, in January 2017, in Ritonga 2020, recorded that there are 150,000 people who are users and affected by drugs in North Sumatra. The number of users and affected by drugs is spread across 33 districts in North Sumatra City. In Ritonga 2020. In Juande 2017, in Ritonga 2020, say the National Narcotic Agency, or BNN, estimate that there are around 10,000 people who use drugs in every district in North Sumatra City. The condition that is more concerning North Sumatra is no longer just a drug marketing location, but a producer and distribution location to other area. Residents affected by drugs are almost evenly from the age of 10 to 59 years. Currently, there are 8 models in the handling of victims of narcotics, psychotropic, and addictive abuse that are developed in drug rehabilitation center, as well as other institutions that serve drug addiction, such as Dependency Hospital Medicine, or RSKU, Islamic Boarding School, Halfway House, Reporting Mandatory User Institute, or IPWL. The service model are 1. Therapy community, 2. Medical model, 3. Menoseta model, 4 electric model, 5 multidiscipline model, 6 traditional model, 7 faith-based model, 8 community-based drug management model. In Ritonga 2020. The two most widely applied models in drug addiction service, according Gianni 2013 in Ritonga 2020, are the therapeutic community model and the narcotic anonymous model. Almost every drug addiction service agency in North Sumatra use these two models or a combination of these two models. Therapy community or TC is a treatment that uses a psychosocial approach where together with other former drug users, they live in one environment and help each other to achieve healing. The process of change expected from the therapeutic community is a change in behavior, emotional development, intellectual development, spiritual development, and work skill, as well as providing attention, protection, and supporting balanced physical, mental, and spiritual development with love and mutual feeling. Respect for each individual and the community as a whole, so as the create harmony in the environment. In Ritonga 2020, another method is often used, the namely narcotic anonymous model. The purpose of the study was to analyze the factor that determine drug social rehabilitation home using the social work group method, therapeutic community, and narcotic anonymous model in drug rehabilitation home established by the community, NGO, or known as the Mandatory Reporting Institution, or we call EPWL. My literature review, TC. The TC method uses 4 structures and 5 pillars, which form the basis for implementing social rehabilitation. The social rehabilitation curriculum from material to learning methods is based on these 4 structures and 5 pillars. The 4 structures are the value instill the client, while the 5 pillars are the way to instill this value. Each client is required to memorize and then practice these 4 structures and 5 pillars as part of their daily life. To make it easier for client to memorize, clients are required to write everything down in a walking paper, which they always carry with them while they are still in the initial phase of rehabilitation, or we call induction phase. One of the walking paper contains the value that must be applied by client during social rehabilitation using the TC model. These values include honesty, responsibility, trust in the environment, equal reciprocity, and forgiveness. In carrying out daily tasks and during all therapy sessions, clients are required to live this value. In the Ardani and Cahyani 2019. Narcotic Anonymous, or we call NA, the recovery process using the 12-step NA approach in general includes the process of self-acknowledgement that there is a problem with addiction that is being experienced, seeking help from outside oneself, namely from the community, engaging in a thorough self-inventory process to see the mistakes that have been made by oneself. Disclosing oneself to fellow community members about secrets and feelings, making atonement for mistakes that have been committed to people who have been hurt, and helping fellow addicts to provide support for the recovery of themselves and others. Hagin and Whitbourne 2009. The core of the NA program in the application of spiritual principle in everyday life in Hagin and Whitbourne 2009. The fundamental difference between these two models is the way in which drug abuse victims enter In the TC model, much of the victim enter rehabilitation institution because they are forced to suck as being forced by their family to participate in social rehabilitation or enter into rehabilitation for fear of embarrassment, not because of their own awareness. But in rehabilitation institution using the NA model, victim who will enter the NA program follow awareness and willingness to recover from drug bondage. Research review Jordan L. Mariano in 2019 with title The Impact of Therapeutic Community in the Perception of a Probationer in Quirino Province, Philippines. Results show that the impact of therapeutic community in the perception of probationer improve their social skill, behavior change, positive outlook, spiritual growth, livelihood program which led to employable technique skill. It is recommended that the probation office may materials during training and for capital in the livelihood program. Future work may be added to introduce new knowledge on therapeutic community for probationer. Research conducted by me, Fajar Utama Ritonga, in 2019 with the title Comparison of Therapeutic Community and Narcotic Anonymous Model in Drug Addiction Social Welfare Service from 7 states of the participant model used there are difference in functional participation state using TC. Using TC model, 55.5%, while the NA model, 100%. At this stage, the difference is very significant at 45.5%. And interactive participation using the TC model is 65.4%, while the narcotic anonymous model is 44%. At this stage, there is a difference of 21.5%. Then, research conducted by Irfan Ardani and Heti Sri Hari Cahyani in 2019 with title Effectiveness of Therapeutic Community Method in Preventing Drug Abuse Relapse in Parmadi Putra Gali Pakuan Social Home, Bogor, 2017. The result of this study indicate that the dropout rate of social rehabilitation at PSPP Gali Pakuan reached 44.8% in 2017. While the relapse rate is estimated at 30% of clients who faced rehabilitation. On the other hand, various studies have stated that the TC method is relatively more effective method than other social rehabilitation method in reducing drug use and antisocial behavior due to drug use. The challenge with the TC method is that the dropout rate is quite high. Compared to other social rehabilitation method, TC is effective in improving the social functioning of drug user through strengthening individuals by fostering self-confidence, emotional, and spiritual management. Ardani and Cahyani, 2019. Research conducted by Trilia and Eva Rusmini in 2019 with a title, The Factor of Using Drug Abuse Related to the Recurrence of Patients at Mental Hospital in Province South Sumatra. The result from the studies show the higher proportion of NAPSA user patient at Ernaldi Bahar Hospital in South Sumatra, age 25 and 44 adult, 57.6%. High school middle education harmonic family, 54.5%. Same-age friends with drug addiction, 51.5%. And recurrence, 60.6%. The result of statistical that show two variables which relate with recurrence were environmental factor and same age group and same age friends with drugs at 0.008, whereas other two variables alpha 0.172. This conclusion is hoped that health officials at the hospital are able to strengthen their programs in a rehabilitation center, which is able to support all patients to elevate the motivation of NAFZA abuse users so they can survive without using drugs anymore. Next, research by Restrepo, 2019, titled Therapeutic Community in Latin America, an international descriptive study in different. In Latin America, result this study, 285 TC identified in the 5 countries, 179 or 62% accepted to participate in the study. This TC quality was evaluated according to the scoring system established by the LAN, finding that 70% of the facility have score of 11 or 12 or 12 per 12 using this criteria. We also found that the majority of the LAN criteria are known by more than 19% of the institution. However, the dimension of separation of the community and encounter group between residents, where the last known with 63 and 85% respectively. The main reason for abandonment of TC were not effective the rules of the institution, lack of money, and not feeling comfortable with the facility. 98% of type of substance. Conclusion, the majority of the tissue identified in our sample meet the quality criteria established by the LAN, mostly providing service for substance abuse. However, they shall put in place additional policies to improve the unfulfilled condition and investigate the reason for the dissatisfaction and abandonment of this institution. Research method. According to Newman, 2005, page 35, descriptive research present a picture, a specific detail of the situation, social setting, or relationship. So, this research was carried out at the Drug Addiction Social Rehabilitation Center using the Therapeutic Community or TC model and the Narcotic Anonymous or NA model. Namely, IPW El Nazar Medan City, Yamimas Medan City, Caritas PSE House Medan City, Panti Permadi Putra Insap Deli Serdang Regency, and Oka BNN Deli Serdang Regency. The research information used in the study use a purposive technique or aiming, which consisted of the following key informants, namely the owners, the opponents or drug addiction social rehabilitation program manager who knew about the selection of the group work model method of therapeutic community or TC and Narcotic Anonymous or NA in drug addiction social rehabilitation center. The main informant are social worker and counselor and staff who are involved and know about the therapeutic community and narcotic anonymous at Drug Addiction Social Rehabilitation Center. Technique of collecting data was done by in-depth interview. That data analysis technique use a comparative analysis technique, namely using a contrast approach between elements. Result and discuss. The choice to use one of the 10 popular models in providing service in drug social rehabilitation institution is an independent choice for the orphanage manager. But not all institutions can make choice about using the TCNNA group work methods. Based on the result of interview with research informant, it's known that social rehabilitation institutions that are free by themselves determine the use of the NA model and the TC model, or the combined model of NA and TC, a social drug rehabilitation institution formed by the community such as the mandatory reporting institution of the Nazar Foundation in Medan City, with use of combination of TC and NA. Then the Caritas PSA in Medan use a combined model TC and NA, and the Medan City Community Partners or Yamimas Medan, which use the NA model in providing social welfare service for drug addiction through social rehabilitation home. Based on the result of the study, it's also known that the two popular models used in drug social rehabilitation center, both the TC model and the NA model, are both good and effective in their respective social rehabilitation institution. This is because not all problems in the handling of residents in social rehabilitation institution only have to use one particular model. For example, only using NA model, which is based on research result in Ritonga 2019, is better than TC model in increasing resident participation and changing resident behavior. The NA model used by Yamimas Medan requires that prospective resident or drug user who will get service at the Yamimas Social Rehabilitation Center must be at the entry-level user level or new and have an awareness that they have a problem with drugs and when to get away from drugs. So, on the basis of this awareness, prospective resident can get service at the Yamimas Social Rehabilitation Center in Medan, while at the Loka BNN Deli Serdang Social Rehabilitation, for example, they accept all level initial, medium, high, except user who level cannot be tolerated by their social rehabilitation service. So the Adam Malik Drug Addiction Hospital, or we call RSKU, in Medan or Jakarta, and with various problems how to enter or input to Loka BNN Deli Serdang, such as being arrested by North Sumatra BNN officer, forced by parents or family, forced husband or wife with threat of divorce, do not want to be rehabilitated, preferring to be in rehabilitation rather than going to prison. If you look at the input or the entry of prospective resident at the Yamimas Social Rehabilitation and Loka BNN Deli Serdang, it's clear that there are significant difference. Of course, the result will be different because the input process and entry requirement are different. If the entry requirement for the prospective resident are determined, they must have a high awareness of wanting rehabilitation. It will be very many drug users who are not rehabilitated because most of the drug users are not aware that they are in trouble because consuming or using drugs. And This, of course, will have an impact on other fields such as the increasing crime rate due to drug use. Case of domestic violence, because the husband used drugs, or children in the family who use drugs, all of which do not get service from the social rehabilitation center. It can be concluded that the use of the TC model at the local BNN Deli Serdang Regency and the INSAP Putra Permadi is a good model because it aims to overcome drug addiction for residents. But those who come with their own awareness and those who come with caution and treats. The selection of the TC model and the NA model at the Drug Social Rehabilitation Institution is the most appropriate choice for the management of the social drug rehabilitation institution managed by the community, private or NGO, or under auspice of the Ministry of Social Affairs and the National Narcotic Agency, or we call BNN. TC and NA models are equally good because they aim to restore the social function of the resident and prepare the resident to be well accepted when he returns to the family and to the community. This is because its model has its own weakness and strength. As in the NA model, it requires the prospective resident have a high level awareness due to using drugs and have a strong desire to recover. And prospective residents are at the entry level or new user or trial and error, while the TC model accepted all levels of drug user, initial, middle, and high, with a record that drug user at high level after assessment. Counselor or social worker can participate in social rehabilitation program and will not disturb other fellow residents who are in the process recovery at the drug social rehabilitation center. Based on this, there is a drug social rehabilitation institution that uses combined TC and NA approach, namely Medan City Nazar Foundation, Caritas PSC Shelter in Medan City. The two orphanages use a combined approach between TC and NA because they saw the advantage and disadvantage of TC and NA. The foundation management decided to combine the TC and NA models. This was done by the Medan City Nazar Foundation. While according to program manager of the Rumah Singgah Caritas PSC Medan City, the TC model and the NA model are equally good and need not be compared because they have the same aim to save generation of the nation from drug bondage. Of course, by using a combination of the TC and NA models, maximum results are obtained because the TC model and the NA model are equally good when combined. The maximum result will be obtained to restore the resident's social function in preparing the resident to return to his family and to the community. The factors that influence the choice of using TC model or the NA model in this study are influenced by internal factor and external factor. The internal factor is the desire of the social rehabilitation institution manager to determine what model is most suitable for use in their social rehabilitation, TC or NA model, or a combination of TC and NA model. And this decision can only be made at the social rehabilitation institution which is managed by the community or private or NGO. While the social rehabilitation institution under the Ministry of Social Affairs and the National Narcotic Agency, or we call BNN, that manage those institution cannot determine the use of the TC model or the NA model, or TC combined model with NA, because the decision to use the drug handling model has been decided by the center, so that the social rehabilitation institution managers only carry out the decision in accordance with the applicable procedure operational standard. Conclusion: internal factor for social rehabilitation home owned by the community or non-government organization or NGO, such as the Medan Community Partner Foundation, or we call Yamimas Medan, which uses the NA model. Then the Medan City Nazar Foundation and the PSA Caritas Halfway House Medan City use a combined model of TC and NA, influenced by the manager's owner, wishes, or management of social rehabilitation institution themselves. There is no intervention or compulsion to use one of the model set by other agency of or organization. The desire to use either NA or a combination of TC and NA model is a joint decision based on careful consideration. For the opponents under auspice of the National Narcotic Agency, or we call BNN, like Loka BNN Deli Serdang Regency and the Panti Insaf Permadi Putra in Laubakri Deli Serdang Regency, their choice of using the TC model has been decided by the ministry or BNN center. So the rehabilitation center manager and addiction counselor cannot make a choice using the TC model or the NA model in Loka BNN rehabilitation and Panti Insaf Permadi Putra. External factor: social rehabilitation homes owned by the community or non-government organization like Medan Community Partner Foundation like Yamimas, which use the NA model. Then the Medan City Nazar Foundation and the PSA Caritas Halfway that have been carried out information from national and international seminars, experience in dealing with client or drug resident themselves, social worker and counselor who work on the TC and NA group work model and sharing experience from administrator or manager of either social rehabilitation institution. While there are no factor for Insaf and Loka BNN institution external, because they only carry out order from the Ministry of Social Affairs or the Central of BNN. Acknowledgement: Research would like to big thanks to Research Institute at the Universitas Sumatera Utara for financing this research by agreement or contract number 273 UN 5231 ppm SPP Talenta USU 2020, so that this research can be completed properly. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.